guys, so in today's video I'm going to be using WinNT to install Windows 10 Fall Creators Update or RS3 on a SD card, and we're going to attempt to boot off of it. So right here we have my Surface Go. As you can see, it says Microsoft Surface Go. Now the problem is that this Surface only has 64 gigs of eMMC storage, and that's not enough to do a VHDX, because if I were to dual boot, yeah, it's not gonna work, especially right now, or I'd have to delete my Windows old. And if you're wondering how I'm on Windows 11, this hardware actually doesn't support Windows 11 natively, but I managed to upgrade to Windows 11 unsupportedly. But anyways, I'm going to keep the Windows.old. I want to use my SD card. I just wanted to make a video because, well, typically people don't boot off SD cards. Well, it's like unless you have like a USB adapter. But I want to test it, see if we get some kind of error. Now, I'll put the link in the description to the video where you can learn how to do this. So it's gonna want to download some of the 80K Windows 10 80K files, so I'll just select it. So, and then I extracted it with 7-zip. So I have like no space left because, yeah, and the only way I could really do it is to save to the SD card, which is what we're going to do. So, let's see, we're going to specify, location, let's see, install.wim. No, we're going to do Pro, because this Surface actually has a Pro license. It actually came with a Pro license, which is nice. So, we're going to, well, let's see, can we add a driver pack? Because I want to be able, so I don't have to install it afterwards. If it's possible, can I, like, I don't think I can. So we're going to go to VHD. We're going to create a VHD. I'm going to just give it I'll give it like 40 gigs, as it doesn't need that much. We're going to browse, and we're going to make a folder, VHDX, and I'm going to name it Windows 10 RS3. So that, I guess that'll be the name. Since this Surface only does UEFI, I have to do UEFI, so, let's see. 4 gigs should be good enough. So we're going to click OK. So, did it mount? Okay, yeah, it mounted as Z, okay. So, now we are going to, now that I selected, I would add drivers. Let's see. Let's do some tweaks. So, let's see. I'm going to do some tweaks. Let's see. Sure, disable UAC. That you can't even do hibernate on VHDX, so I don't know why it's even there. Sure, in case I want to see the blue screen. Disable page file, I should probably keep that on. Since this is Windows 10 RS3 or FCU, which was before they added the reserved storage space, which added in 19.1 and up. So I don't have to do this, as it's not a thing in RS3 or FCU. And I'm also doing this for an experiment to see if I could do this. So let's see. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Sure, let's add the computer icon. I think that's all I'm gonna do, so yeah. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to to setup. Yep, we need UEFI. Sure. Actually, let's use legacy, because why not? We don't want to restart because I don't want to restart. Let's see. Maybe I should add. I might want to copy over the drivers because FCU, which actually they removed the drivers off of Microsoft removed the drivers for the for 1709 on their websites, but I have a copy of the 1709 drivers, which before they pulled it, I have a copy before they pulled it, so I have all the drivers but as you can see, it's going to apply the Windows image, and I'm going to pause the video and try to I'm going to try to make this video not that long, but I'm going to pause the video while it applies the Windows image. So yeah. Okay, so it's right now almost done. I won't be able to use my mouse, but okay, we're going to restart. And let's see, will it boot? Let's find out. Oh. No. It will not boot. What a shame. Well, that didn't work. I guess this will be a failed attempt, but I might not even make it a failed attempt. Well, that's actually kind of cool that it actually has the VHD. But we're going to go in msconfig, and I'm going to remove the boot entry for it. Control delete EE. Just use my face. Probably cut that out because it showed my full name and I don't want that to be in the video. But we're going to WinSecure msconfig. We're going to go to boot. Now we're going to delete that and apply. And there. And then we can fuck off. And then we can, if Explorer will launch, we can go in here, Shift Delete, boom, we got rid of the VHDX. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this failed attempt, I guess, video. I don't know if I'm going to really say it's failed attempt, maybe attempting or experimenting with something, I don't know. But, yeah, I'm just gonna say that's a fail. But, oh well. Well, thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.